In this video, I will tell you how to purchase Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. So first what you need to do is launch your MetaMask wallet and log into your account. Once you're inside, make sure you are connected to the Ethereum main network. If you're not, tap the drop down arrow at the top and select Ethereum main network from the list of networks. After that, you'll see the option to buy Ethereum. Tap on buy, then tap get started at the bottom. Next, select your region from the list of countries and press continue. Based on your region, MetaMask will display different payment methods. Choose the one that works best for you, then press continue to amount. Now enter the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase. You can either type in your local currency amount or change the currency by tapping the drop down arrow next to it and selecting another option such as euros or dollars. After entering the amount, tap get quotes at the bottom. MetaMask will then fetch available quotes. Once it's ready, you'll move to the next page where you'll need to provide your debit card, credit card, or other payment method details. Complete the payment process and your Ethereum will be added to your MetaMask wallet. Thanks for watching.